Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, y'all? So if you've gotten this far into the video, you've seen what my wig looked like when the beginning texture after the blowout and then after being straightened. This is the wig. It is on my head right now, and as you can see, the kinky texture actually came out pretty silky, but it still mimics like hair that's growing from a head. Now for this color that I have in here, I actually just laid the wig down and took handfuls of bleach and just kind of raked it through random places, and that's how I got the color, and that's how I got the color placement. Now for all of the wig information, it is a kinky straight Indian Remy human hair 360 pre-plucked hairline lace frontal wig. I'm not being dramatic, that is the full title. And of course the wig is from omgherhair. Now for the actual styling process, I really didn't think that it was going to come out this silky, so today I just decided to add a couple wand curls to kind of give it a little more style. And I have this headband on because I went to go eat and my ears were cold. I'm going to take this off, but yeah, I'm just going to add some curls to give it a little extra something. Now, like I said, this wig is a 360 wig, meaning that you can put it up in a ponytail. So I'm using my wand from Irresistible Me, and I have this barrel on here that I'm going to be using. I never used this one before. I usually use the same one every time, so we'll see how this turns out. And I kind of want to go for like a messy type of wand curl look. I don't really want the uniform thing going. So let's see. Okay, and that's how the curl came out. I'm just gonna leave it and go into the next section, and I'm doing kind of medium sections, not too small, not too big. Because I said I wasn't doing the more uniform curls, this shouldn't really take as long, because I know the look I'm trying to go for, but hopefully it works.
Mine, I bought it, it's mine. I bought it, it's mine.